All right, welcome back. We're going to show you guys a couple different scripts you can run for your agents running on your VM. And this one is called the automated reel strategy. And we're going to take you through a few of them. I'm actually just trying to build these to automate my video editing for this channel. So let's take you guys through it. All right, so Gemini is having me have Kilo, which is basically OpenClaw, like an open source OpenClaw with 500 different models. I'll post you guys a link to that in the description below. So basically what this is going to do is, so basically I'm screen capturing right now. I'm recording a video, and simply type a prompt into Kilo, and as Kilo thinks and types back, you talk over using a sheet microphone. So I'm actually going to skip this step, but so basically this is how you would do it if you were using OBS Studio. I'm using StreamYard right now, so I actually don't even need to do this. But for example, I've made a couple different scripts already. I'll show you guys some of the things that I already did, and this is how you guys can do it. So here you go. So I'm building firststep.ai with a $0 budget. Research, find 3 trending AI agent news stories from today that could potentially go viral. This is like another script that it's having me write, like a 0 budget script, right? These are some different toolings you can use for scripting and basically just to create content, right? And I've already built, while I was sitting here, I built Scout. So Scout, what Scout will do is it will scout different websites, and so I was asking it to find videos that have already gone viral, right? So we could repurpose them or make content about them. And so Gemini is basically explaining to me how to do that. So if I show you guys real quick here, this is the Kilo CLI, so the command line, right? So you could see that when I ran this command, the user wants me to run the instructions from Scout orders. This requires using the browser tool to find YouTube and TikTok videos about AI agents or AutoGPT from the last 30 days with over 500,000 views. So the prompt worked. However, it ran into some issues. So I even found the videos. Like, this is pretty impressive. But it had an issue. The right tool was called with invalid arguments, so I guess it couldn't like get the URLs or something. So I'll have to modify this script so that it maybe can give me that information without me sitting here and just browsing and looking for it myself. What I ultimately want this thing to eventually do is spit out, like every morning or whatever, every other day or something, let me know what content has been put out about different AI agents or anything related to this niche, so that I don't have to sit here and do that. That's the whole point of automation, is that it saves me all this time, right? And so that's kind of what I'm doing here. And so I was just kind of testing that. So different scripts and stuff. So it actually, when I ran this script, it's called Agent Scout. It opened, Y Combinator and Reddit in my browser, and it scraped the top stories, right? The current results for that showed no AI agent specific items in the top 30. And for ChatGPT Hot Post, the trending topic, it's varied by time the script is working correctly. Beautiful. So basically, to get the best information output from this AI, I need to actually give it like really specific things to do, right? And so the more specific you are with it, the more detailed information you're going to get from it to help you build whatever content that you're trying to build. So ultimately, what I want to do is I want to build a tool or a script that encompasses all of this, and it's just like, run this and it'll just do everything. So all the scripts are built in how, I'll build all the scripts, and then you guys can, download or use the app yourselves and automate your whole system that way. If you guys like this video, you guys know what to do. Smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.